This little guy over here is the banana bat, named as such because they were first discovered in a banana grove. They are endemic to a few areas in Mexico, and they have one of the smallest ranges of bats, only being found in a very few specific areas. They have a very interesting face shape, and that is due to the food they eat. They almost entirely eat nectar, specifically from flowers with a long trumpet shape. So the shape of their snout, specifically the long what is called rostrum, helps them get deep into the flower where they can easier access the nectar. And while doing so, they also tend to collect quite a bit of pollen, so they are very important pollinators, but they do also eat that pollen because it's a very important source of nitrogen. Now, these guys are unique among nectar-eating bats because they eat nectar year-round. Most other types of bats will switch to eating fruits or insects at types of the year when flowers are less common, but these guys will eat nectar all year round just because their face shape is so specialized to basically only be able to eat nectar out of flowers. Now, while this does give them an advantage in being able to eat a lot of nectar from a lot of different flowers, this does give them a disadvantage because there are some parts of the year when there are quite a few less flowers around, so there's quite a bit less of nectar availability. Now, unfortunately, these guys are endangered. They have a very small range to begin with and are very specialized for certain flowers, so they are at quite a risk from habitat loss and destruction. But these are a very interesting bat all around in lifestyle and in the fact that it just looks like a Muppet.